Hi there. My name is Miss Bush and I'm going to be your teacher for this class. I am doing this video to give you a little bit of an introduction as to what the course is going to look like and how things are going to be laid out. And if you've never used Canvas before, this will kind of show you how to navigate around. So as you've come in from the dashboard, this will be your home page. It says, welcome to physical science, physics. It gives you a little bit of information on some things we're going to cover in class, and then it also gives you a shortcut to your modules and my contact information. So there's two ways you can get to the modules for this course. You can click the shortcut, which I have at the bottom of this picture that says click here to access your modules, or on the left-hand side where it says Home Grade Syllabus Modules, Google Drive, you can click on the modules there and it should bring you directly to the modules page. And what you'll see is it brings you to week 1, which is the first week we are starting with this week, and it will always have the dates of when it's assigned to when it's due. One thing you'll notice is after 2 weeks, my modules will disappear. So they'll be open for the week they're assigned and then the following week, just in case there was something that caused you to not turn your assignment in when it needed to be done. If for some reason after those 2 weeks, something came up and you weren't able to do it within those 2 weeks, give me an email and we can work something out. The next thing you may notice is that the only thing that it looks like you can click on is the introduction to our class. The rest of it's kind of grayed out. That means that in order to get to the rest of the material, you need to look at the introduction to our class video, which you are currently doing because you're watching it right now. And once you do that, so let's click on this. All done. Hit the modules tab, you'll notice that the next couple things unlock, and so on and so forth until everything is released. I am doing this to ensure that you're looking at everything, doing the best you can in class, and giving you the best chance you have of completing the assignments well the first time. The next thing you're probably going to notice is that I have a suggested timeline. So this tells you what dates you can get things done or what days you should get things done. If you follow this suggested timeline, you will get an extra 10% bonus on your assignments, quizzes, or tests. But the thing is you will not be able to get more than 100%. So if you follow this timeline and you get some wrong, it's likely you can get most of your points, if not all of them, back. The next thing I want to point out is this Unit 6 motion thing I have labeled here. This is just to tell you and myself what unit we're in and what we're planning to be working on. Alright, so let's go back to the home page. Now, the next thing I want to point out is my contact information. So if you click the shortcut, it'll bring you directly to this page here. And this page will tell you my building hours, because I'm currently split between East and the ALC, my office hours, and these are the times that I don't have any classes, my email address if you need to get a hold of me, my school phone, and my cell phone number. My best mode of contacts are either stopping by in person, sending me an email, or calling or texting my cell phone. I may not get back to you right away within the email or the text, but it would be definitely within 24 hours. Alright, again, back to the home page. Right below home, you've got grades. This thing will show you exactly what you're missing, what assignments you have, what ones you haven't done yet, what your scores are like, all of that. So this is going to be a great tool to continue to check. I don't put anything on Infinite Campus as to assignment grades. So this is where you're going to look. The next thing is syllabus. I am going to ask you to make sure you take a look at this syllabus and read through it and then do the acknowledgement. So if you click on the link to the course syllabus here, it's going to pop it up, give you all the information for the class, the overview, kind of the typical syllabus stuff. And then finally, it's Google Drive. With this Google Drive, you can actually link your Gmail, your school Gmail account to this. And then everything you have put in your Google Drive will be accessible through Canvas right here. Like, I can click on my ALC stuff, go through each of my folders, and take a look at my metric conversions PowerPoint. This was just a basic intro to the class to give you a little bit of an introduction as to how I'm going to lay things out and where to find everything. Have a great day. Email me, call me, text me with any questions, and enjoy the class.